How to fix sound not working on ASUS monitor. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix the sound not working on an ASUS monitor. First, click on the speaker icon located on the bottom right corner of your PC screen. This will open the audio settings. Now check if the volume is turned up and not muted. If it is muted, click on the speaker icon to unmute it. Next, click on the filter icon next to the speaker icon, which will open additional sound options. Make sure the correct output device is selected. Then, go to the volume mixer. Check that the volume is properly adjusted for both the system and individual applications. If the issue persists, ensure that the audio cable from your ASUS monitor is securely connected to your PC. Additionally, check that the monitor's built-in speakers are enabled through its on-screen display settings. Lastly, you can try restarting your PC or updating the audio drivers to ensure everything is working correctly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.